Welcome, Spark. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Today we're building and filming a budget gaming PC. This is featuring like a Micro Center combo with a 3060. The case is a Lian Li Landcool 2. We have a B550 Tomahawk motherboard, EVGA 650 GA power supply, and it looks like an RGB keyboard and mouse. So we got this whole bundle. What's the brand that puts these together technically?
It's Micro Center to my knowledge.
I thought it was that one.
That one's just
that's
so that's
okay.
the Titan X one. It's Bits Power, and that's literally just the Lian Li case.
Got it. So these are bundles that Micro Center sells. So if you're struggling to get a graphics card and you're looking just to build a new system, you can go to a Micro Center and potentially get like these bundles, and that's their way of like fighting off scalpers from buying everything.
Yeah, the guy actually kept trying to sell me pre-builds, like ones that they had built for customers, and they didn't pick them up. And I was just like, well, it's kind of our thing to build them in. And he's just like, oh, but we have this one for this price. I'm like, I just...
the price is probably good, but
I need to build them.
Yeah. Cold Glenn, what's up, man? Welcome, everyone. New first-time chatters. How you doing? You like the shorts? Thank you. They're pink and they're glorious.
The black ones, bro. These are brand new.
Good morning, bros. What's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. But yeah, as you may know, if you're new to these streams, we film videos sometimes, or sometimes we're just building PCs. This one's actually going to be a Toasty Rose video, so you're going to be seeing a video before it goes live. So spoilers. There you go.
Heavy.
It's got some heft to it.
Well, I think the power supply's in it.
The power supply and motherboard, apparently. Hopefully the motherboard.
Yeah, we didn't even get a power supply box, which is kind of weird.
So I'm assuming power supply and motherboard's in there. So it's like a true bare bones system that you can buy where all you do is plop the CPU, RAM, and yeah, I think I can help. There he goes. Look at that. Born to perform is what it says.
Alright, well since we're on this tradition of not going out of order anyways, let's go ahead and just make sure we got everything here. So we're going to fold in our handles. You guys gotta watch how these handles will really get you.
They'll get you.
If you don't know about the handles, you're gonna spend 20 minutes trying to get your case out, and you're like, why is it not opening?
So what you're saying is, if you want to get a quick workout in before you build your computer, this will work really well.
Yeah, just open the box.
Just open it.
My goodness.
Oh, it's a hinge system. Like that.
I forgot about this.
Yeah. All right, so they kind of ran stuff for us.
Yeah, so that's actually kind of cool. So, just from looking at this,
I don't have to do anything.
Yeah, this is ran right. I know. You got to put in the graphics right.
What is this build for? PC Bros client. Why is Jack doing all the work? He always does all the work. No, he's just installing the CPU cooler, and this build came pretty much like fully built at this point.
I'm going to build all the PCs.
Yeah, he builds all the PCs. So I'm just kind of like waiting for him to install that. And
so you're saying it's my fault, pretty much?
Yeah, I'm saying it's his fault. Would you recommend buying a PC on eBay, or is it probably a scam? It just depends on the seller.
There's a much better site that comes with a year warranty.
That's true. PC Bros like that.
PC Bros like that. PC Bros like that. I mean, you heard him say it. I'm just saying, we sell builds similar to like what you can get on eBay too.
Yup.
It's not like there's anything special about those eBay guys.
That's just a pretty face, exactly.
I'm not a fan how they did this.
My girlfriend and I were working on something, and she needed to access like an old email. It was an AOL email. And first of all, you shouldn't be using AOL to begin with.
That's the first one.
But that doesn't get rid of the actual story here. So we had this AOL email. She didn't know the password. She wanted to do a password reset. Did the password reset and was having a code like text to her mom, and her mom had to send the code to her.
So it's exact.
And it was a situation where it was difficult. And she sent the code a couple times, and then eventually there was an option. It basically said, you can send this one more time. And she hit it one more time, sent the code, and then she backed out of it. Because she was just like, okay, my mom's not texting me back, I'm going to try another way. She backed out. Then her mom sends the code, but that's besides the point. And then she backs out, and then it won't let her reset it anymore. It blocked her from actually doing the text code anymore. And I'm assuming it's like a 24-hour thing. We're going to try again today. But the worst part about this is we called customer support. And I do not kid you, customer support said you have to pay for LastPass Premium to actually get a password reset on the phone.
Don't you have LastPass?
Yeah, I have it. And they were like, you have to sign up for our LastPass Premium service, or it was like some other protection virus service. Like literally we're asking for a password reset on the phone, and they were trying to sell us on virus protection and LastPass. And they were saying, if you want us to reset your password for you right now, you have to pay for this. And I was like,
so you did it, right?
Oh, no, yeah, of course, definitely paid for it. To reset your password, you need to buy password protection LastPass. So if you need to know what AOL is up to right now, that's what AOL is up to. Trying to get people to pay for password resets. What When do you guys think 3,000 series cards are going to go down in price? That is a very good question. I don't know the answer.
$1 million question right there, bro.
They are going down, but I couldn't tell you.
It's just very slow.
I couldn't tell you if and when things are going to get massively better. Now we're going to be doing a video where we're actually like looking at the market and be like, hey, so it looks like things are going down a little bit. Just kind of dive into some of the information that's out there, and then we're going to make guesses. We're putting our credibility on the line.
And then people are still going to ask us.
And then they're gonna ask us when that date comes, being like, and they'll be like, well, you know what? I never said we were right, but it's a guess.
The guess does not support facts.
Exactly. Facts are optional on this YouTube channel.